Hello everyone, I am Anuja Shtraso and I welcome you all in class 8 chemistry class. Today I will carry forward the rest of the topic of chapter 3, that is elements, compound and mixtures, and in which we will study about the types of mixtures. That means the components which makes the different types of mixture. As per these are the types of mixture. First is the solid mixture. So solid mixture, if we will discuss, that means the small stones in the rice and dal. Second is the solid liquid mixtures, that is solid and liquid is going to form the mixture. So that the example is sugar or salt and water, they are going to form the mixture. Then solid and gas mixture. Now solid and gas mixture is the well known example is smoke, because smoke, it is basically gas but it is also having some suspended dust particles. Then fourth, liquid mixture, that means alcohol in water. Nail polish remover is also example of this. Next is the gas and liquid mixture, that means gas and liquid is going to form the mixture. So for this, the oxygen in water. And last one is the gas mixture, just like natural gas, water gas, oxygen, etc. So this is the types of mixture. Now we will just see the classification of mixture. So if we will talk about the classification of mixture, so mixture is of two types. First is the homogeneous and second is the heterogeneous. So first we will discuss about the homogeneous mixtures and their types. So what is homogeneous mixture? So it is a mixture in which components are distributed uniformly throughout. That means जो भी component mixture बना रहा है वो complete solution में throughout as it is रहेगा. That means a mixture in which components are distributed uniformly throughout. और वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग कि होमोजेनस मिक्सचर, इन होमोजेनिक मिक्सचर कंपोनेंट्स कैन नॉट बी ईजिली विजिबल एंड कैन नॉट बी ईजिली इंडिविजुअली फाइंड. मतलब इनके कंपोनेंट्स को आप इंडिविजुअली ना देख सकते हैं, ना इनके कंपोनेंट को आप इंडिविजुअली सेपरेट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस होमोजेनस मिक्सचर, इट इज़ अगेन डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज द सॉल्यूशन. नाउ what is solution? Solution, that means it is a type of homogeneous mixture. तो किसी का type है, it is a type of homogeneous mixture in which two or more substances are going to form the mixture. That means a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Now in homogeneous mixture, in solution, a substance which dissolves, that substance is known as the solute, and in which that substance dissolves, that is known as the solvent. Just like water, water is a solvent because in this the substance is going to dissolve. And suppose I am taking here sugar, so sugar is going to dissolve, so sugar is a solute, and these both together form sugar solution. So sugar is a solution, that means it is sugar syrup. I am writing here sugar syrup, which is a solution. So it is a solution. Now the next type of homogeneous mixture is a alloy. B is alloy. Again it is a type of homogeneous mixture, that means it is a homogeneous mixture in which metal is it is a mixture of metal with other metal or non-metal. That means a homogeneous mixture of metal with other metal or non-metal. Now when the alloy is formed, at that time components are heated at very high temperature. इनको बहुत high temperature पे heat किया जाता है, so that it will be solidification and then the alloy is going to form. So example I will take, if I will take the example of gold. So gold, it is an alloy of copper and gold. Okay, that means both are the, if I will take the example of stainless steel. So stainless steel, it is a alloy of carbon and iron. So this is the examples of alloy. Now let's move toward the heterogeneous mixture. So second is the heterogeneous mixture. So if we will talk about the heterogeneous mixture, the definition is similarly, but one term is going to, it is a mixture in which components are distributed. Till now you have studied about the uniformly, now we will study a mixture in which components are distributed non-uniformly. That means कि यहाँ पर जो components है वो non-uniformly distributed हैं, completely distributed नहीं है. So this heterogeneous mixture, it is furtherly divided into two. First is the suspension. Now if we will talk about the suspension, so suspension, it is a mixture in which component does not dissolve completely in another component. That means कि जो दो component आपस में mix हो रहे हैं वो एक दूसरे में completely dissolve नहीं होते हैं. It is a mixture in which components does not dissolve completely into another component. Just like if example I am taking कि make the chalk powder and mix it with water, and in which the vessel in which you mixes the water, keep that jar undisturbed for some time. You will clearly visible the water clearly and the chalk particles at the base settle down. That means examples are chalk in water mud in water. Examples are also there, dust particles in air. So next we will see the another type of heterogeneous mixture, that is the colloid. Colloid, it is another type of heterogeneous mixture. In colloid, a mixture in which a very small soluble particles are distributed. That means कि colloid वो solution होता है जिसमें बहुत ही छोटे छोटे insoluble particles जो होते हैं वो distributed होते हैं, और इसमें दो फेज होती है. फर्स्ट इज द डिस्पर्स्ड फेज एंड अनदर इज द डिस्पर्सिंग मीडियम. दैट मीन्स एक में वो मिक्स हो रहा है, एक के अंदर वो मिक्स हो रहा है. दैट मीन्स अ मिक्सचर इन विच वेरी स्मॉल insoluble particles are distributed evenly, मतलब evenly वो distributed है as a dispersed phase in another dispersing medium, another component called dispersing medium. दैट मीन्स एक में मिक्स होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द डिस्पर्सिंग मीडियम, एक कंपोनेंट को, और एक कंपोनेंट को क्या कहते हैं, डिस्पर्स फेस. बहुत ही एक कॉमन कोलाइड होता है जिसको हम कहते हैं इमल्शन. एक बहुत कॉमन टाइप का कोलाइड होता है जिसको हम कहते हैं इमल्शन. एंड इमल्शन इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ नॉर्मली टू इमिसिबल लिक्विड. इट इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ normally two or more immiscible liquid. Immiscible की मीनिंग होती है which cannot be mixed properly. Okay, so just take a water and oil and you are going to try to mix it, they form the emulsion. So this is the example of colloid as a emulsion. Now this is all about the today's topic. Rest of the topic we will discuss in the next video. Till then, bye bye, thank you.